Oh, here we go.
There we go.
I'm pretty sure I pressed the power button on the back of the monitor. Are all the fans on? Yeah, all the fans are on and spinning. Oh, that's a lot of nice cool air coming off of that.
Oh yeah, no, that's supposed to be. The other thing is the RGB lights on the thing itself didn't turn on. And this.
Oh yeah, on that? Yeah. We plugged it in, right?
Sorry, I gotta take a look at that later.
Okay.
Alright.
What do I do with this? What's happening here? Is it on? Hold on. Is this... Oh, it's on.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, that's what it
hell
was.
yeah.
Just had to plug the cable in a little bit more. Hold on, so you guys can... Alright, how's that? Is that
The
good?
reflection.
Yeah.
It's on, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yep, there it goes.
So exciting,
Hell
man!
yeah, dog. Oh, fuck
You
yeah.
two built the computer. Look at
They
you.
already booted straight up to the Windows drive. Dog, hell yeah.
Oh my god.
So now you just have to copy it to the M.2 and just make, well, hold on, we can't celebrate yet. Because if it booted straight to the SSD, you may have to partition those drives or make sure that they're actually reading.
I'm just gonna make sure everything that's off the C drive is when you get on C drive, copy that over to a different one.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna fresh install it onto the terabyte.
So excited.
Man. And then that's the dongle for the mouse. Sarah?
That was funny.
I was like, she looks taller than normal. I mean, listen, that's a good box if it can support 30 pounds of puppy. God damn. Sarah! Look at her just fucking having a
You're
great...
just so happy. Look how happy you are.
Look at you, baby.
You just needed a box to stand on.
Oh, hell yeah. Where's the start screen, you guys?
Looks good.
Oh, you gotta put your password in, bud. I just thought I could just hit enter and get ready
It
to
says
do
Manny.
That'd be fun.
it. Look at Sarah wants to be a part of it. Look at her, she wants to see everything.
Yay, good
See, this is what I was
girl.
telling you about. It's ever since this has been for like literally, dude, like almost like 9 years.
Just going straight to a black screen.
Yep, so I have to do this.
You might have to
I have to
reinstall
go.
Windows.
Yeah. I just been putting out stored.exe.
Oh my god, it looks fucking awesome.
Dude, I mean, the OLED? Holy shit.
Alright, I think we all need to get one of those.
Hey, stop it. Fucking licking the box.
Oh my god.
Or straight off of work before it we're on.
It is a little crazy that it's, well, it might be the screen protector on there right now. They put on the packaging that might make it so reflective.
Yeah, you gotta take
Yeah.
No,
Plastic off.
the OLEDs don't have backlight.
Well, no, I'm saying because it does look like it's like mirror, like
Yeah.
a mirror finish.
I wonder. Well, it's gonna. I
Yeah.
think it's gonna look a lot better once we're able to plug it into the GPU.
Oh, yeah, yeah, for sure. I mean, it already looks fucking phenomenal now.
Yeah.
Do you want me to unplug it from the PC and plug it into the GPU for a second? Because if it's booting up like this,
Yeah, maybe we'll.
it should. Yeah, let me
give it a
test
shot.
drive that. Oh, the fucking airflow coming out of the back of this thing is fucking nice.
Oh yeah, it's all the way through. It's supposed to be a constant. That's why the bottom's even meshed like that, so you can get through the bottom too.
Nice.
All right. Is it back up?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, looks better.
Or if I straight have anything that I could run on this.
Just bring up a random 4K YouTube video. That'll really test it.
Okay, let's go.
You need my Wi-Fi password, I got you.
You know, for gaming, we're gonna pull the game. Now, thing is, the video. So I have to plug in those things on the back. So I'll do that.